Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista espresso machine. And let's go ahead and grind some coffee. And then we're going to tamp the coffee. And then we'll make some espresso. And this pull-down tamping handle is something I've never seen in an espresso machine before as a method of tamping. Usually it's externally done, or it has an automatic, completely automatic tamping device. You have it on the double setting. So we get a nice shot of espresso. Let's go ahead and test the steam. We get nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.